Okay, so we're back. We're looking at our building that we've been drawing for all this time, and as you remember, we've got a couple of shafts open for stairs and elevators. We've made plenty of room for that, if you will. So we'll concentrate on this one here. Maybe we'll draw some stairs into there. We're in level 1 right now, floor 1, not level 1, as we've actually named this. For the floor, we'll go from floor 1 up to floor 2 with the stairs, go into the architectural tab, and there, partway through, about halfway through the ribbon, we'll see this button called stairs. And right now what we're going to do is we'll have it draw a run. We'll go from, it says floor 1, and we actually don't want it to go to level 2. We'd like it to go to floor 2. So that should put us at a desired height is 12 foot. To get our final destination will be 12 feet in total, which we know that's our distance between the floors is 12 feet. We should be able to apply that, and we can start in and draw from some point in there and draw a little bit. And as most places are going to want to have, you'll want to have a little bit of with such a high stair. Sometimes it's nice to have a landing that you'll want to have. You wouldn't probably want to have the whole thing done all at once, maybe, but in this case we'll split it up into a couple of different landings. We'll bring it out a little ways and start, out here, and we can kind of reach a little bit of the edge. Do a few more stairs this way. Reach that edge and do a few more stairs back into there. It looks like we've got a little bit of play in here. We can actually move that forward, meet that up with the edge, and that should do pretty good there. We can go up to our button here for finishing up in the ribbon, the green check mark. Oh, we've got an issue here, so we'll actually can back that out a little bit if we want to, I guess. Maybe we don't want to finish it that much, but we'll take a look and see what we've done. But yeah, that's generally it. We can actually widen out some of these stairs if we want to have it. The stairs maybe a little bit wider for whatever it is that we're doing. Different parts of it. Now they kind of work it a little bit independently. Actually, that one, because we've changed the landing actually is connected to the stairs in a manner that the stairs will dictate it. We'll press finish again. It says that the stairs top exceeds and cannot reach the top elevation of the stair. Maybe we'll take a little look into how that is. It looks like it's going into it, but we can actually do back into the views are just a wonderful thing in this. We'll take a little look into the camera view and see if there's anything that we can tell us from the back end of the stairs going on up. We might have to look at it from a different perspective. Looks like we will have to look at it from a different perspective, but we can open that up and we can see that we have in fact got some stairs that are there now. Throw that into a realistic mode, give us a little bit better picture of what's going on, but we're gonna have to look at that on our floor 2. So we'll open up floor 2 and we'll put a camera into floor 2 to take a look at that. So with this, we can go look in that direction, forward of it, see if it looks a little odd. Actually got into there a little bit weirdly, so it's yeah, it doesn't quite look right. that doesn't quite look like it adds up right. You would probably be a little bit nervous about actually getting onto those stairs. As it is, we'll take a look at the realistic view of it again. Yeah, we've got quite a bit of a gap there. If we go into our floor 2 or floor 1, we should be able to grab the stairs itself. Once I've moved it a little ways away from everything, that's not really what we want to do. What we can do, that should, so as these move around, sometimes they end up equalizing each other one way or the other. What we can do is actually click on it again. Looks like we've moved the top of the stairs now look like it's attached, just the bottom. Stairs going into level 1 is maybe not as good. That's defining the railing system. Double click on the actual stair. Should be able to drag that right to the edge. It's highlighting. That should fix a bit of our problem. We'll take a look here if that, so it still isn't quite right. We'll connect it into level 2 with a top offset of 1 foot to bring that up. So we like that a little bit better. There we go, that looks a little bit better. Can't really see what we're doing from there, so we'll get into another view here. Open up floor 2. Throw yet another view on there. It's always good to have views. If you can't see what you're doing, you know, how are you going to know what you're actually affecting in life, right? So that looks not too bad at this point. Throw it into realistic mode and you can kind of see a little bit there. Clearly, that will work. That looks like it's doing not too badly. And now it's all hooked up. What we would need next is we would need to have, obviously you don't want people falling down the hole. We need to either narrow in our hole. Well, we'll have to do two things, because we'll have to have, the hole will have to be narrowed in, but you'll also want to have railings around wherever it is that you don't have the hole. So let's look into our, in floor 1, we can actually take a look here at our shaft. Our shaft opening, we can actually tighten that up a bit to where we're needing that to be. Bring that in, and this bit in this way. Tighten it up a bit. And that changes our shaft so that we don't have such a big gaping hole all the way around our stairway. So if we take a look at our view that we had, it's now tightened it up a bit. Looks not too bad there. And keeping in mind that we will want to put these stairs all the way up, we don't want to fill in all of this with handrail. But we can take a look into our floors here. We probably would like to put handrail into this bit. On the side here, we'll go into architectural. We can actually draw in handrail. Draw it along here to about there. I'll draw one from here to there, there to there. Draw it around the edge of this so we don't have people falling down our hole. I see we must not have it connected properly in there. Well, maybe we'll forget that for now. We'll take a look